want to see what's even weirder? Is I climb up this tree. It's uprooted. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I bet you can already see that. It's uprooted. I've been exposing it for a reason. Let's show you guys. See, that's a large root. And there's also a big hole, but who cares? There's stuff over there, but who cares? Back to the news thingy. So, news crew, you haven't been noticing that the windstorm was shadow storm and it's been my brother's fault all along? I know that doesn't sound logical, but my brother says that, and I trust him. Now back to the news thing. You could use these roots like a tree if these things were filthy. And also, part of the trunk is taken off. And this is crazy. How did this happen? There's a large hole in here. Good shelter for any squirrels that have been evicted. And look at this root. It's so big. So, we're going to send you images, don't worry. Don't forget to send this to the national newspaper. Well, not the video. I meant the pictures. We're going to take them. Don't worry. See ya!